biker almost crashes into car in front when it brakes.
What are you doing?
Low side crash while riding at the track.
Yeah.
Hey, you're supposed to eat that one. Hold up.
Almost got yourself hit.
I ain't gonna get hit. We good, mama. Just pray for me. Pray,
I will
pray for me.
Be careful.
Yes, ma'am. I love you. I love you.
Scary speed wobble at high speed while riding on the highway.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Let's race, Jimmy!
Biker was driving with a group of his friends until he saw that police is pulling him over.
I wonder if he's coming after me. Hello. Yeah, it's all in the cowl. Is that fine? Alright. Nah.
I want all you guys back over there. It's 15 miles an hour speed limit. You all were going a little bit fast, but then you jumped out right over here. Right back up over there, and I know you were going more than 35. And then you got over here. I paced all you guys. You were up in the 60s, man.
It's on my phone.
Okay, let me see it real quick, man.
Alright, I gotta turn it on because it's pretty low. It's gonna be a second.
Okay, I'm good. Just gonna give you a warning, man. You gotta slow that bike down, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure. This is my first time coming down here, so I wasn't really.
All right. Appreciate
I'm sorry about that. Thank you, man.
Officer let him go only with the warning.
Your boys slow down too.
All right, for sure. I appreciate that. He's so chill. 65 and a 15. I should be going to jail right now.
Car, when changing lanes, almost hits biker while he is next to it. Two bikers on the wrong side of the road in the blind corner.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Close call when car almost hits biker. Biker almost rides off the cliff when he rides off the road. When riding too fast, biker rides into other lane and almost hits car. Car in front turns left without signaling.
tingtong. Tiga, doon na zone, tiga, tingtong doon.
Motorcycle rider crashes after hitting the cone.
Oh, fell.
Biker in front slides out and his bike hits another biker's bike.
What the hell? You okay, bro?
We're good.
You good? Did he hit you?
Yeah, it's not my bike over here.
Man, my front tire washed out.
I seen that.
Man.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's my brand new bike, man.
Where'd it hit you at?
Did I hit you?
Yeah, you hit me.
I'll give you my information. I got full coverage.
God damn.
Biker sees that there is a broken down van. He decides to go help them.
Do you need a push? Yeah, no problem.
You reckon you make it through that gap, or do you want to wait? Yeah? Good.
Yeah.
Let the clutch brake off. Yeah, you ready? You're making past that curve.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good on left side.
Just push it. No, don't worry.
Perfect.
Thank you.
It's alright.
There is trash can in the middle of the road. Biker stops to get it out of the way. Close call when riding too fast. After riding into the left lane, the biker gets hit by a car.
I know.
Are you not looking? Your mirror.
Car is on the wrong side of the road when biker turns right. Harley rider is riding way over speed limit when passing vehicles. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.